Hello everyone, welcome back to Elite English Club, and today I brought the chapter from class 11th from a snapshot book, chapter 8, The Tale of Melon City. It is a satire and very wonderful story, so let's start. This chapter is written by Vikram Seth, who is an Indian novelist and poet. He was born on 20th June 1952 in Kolkata, and he has written several novels, poetry, books. He has received several awards such as Padma Shri, Sahitya Academy, Pravasi Bharatiya Samman, WHS Literary Award, Crossword, Blood Book Award, etc. He got also the WHS Literary Award and Padma Shri. He completed his education from Doon School and Campus Christi College, St. Xavier High School. He wrote in many genres like novels, poetry, literature, travel writings, children literature, and biography and memoirs. This chapter, The Tale of a Melon City, narrates how the city found its new king, a melon. The story unfolds as their king orders to have an ark built, which turned out to be too low. It hit the king's head, resulting in the falling off of his crown. The king considers it a disgrace and orders for the chief of builders to be hanged. It is then followed by a series of events where they blame each other. Finally, a noose is built to determine the guilty, and the only one to fit the noose is the just and placid king. The new king is then elected by the first person to that pass the arch. Now this is the summary. The story begins with a description about the king who ordered an ark to be built. When he rode down the arch, it hit his head and his crown fell down. It was because it was built too low. The king thought it was dishonorable, and thus he commanded the chief of builders to be hanged. The chief of builders put the blame on the workmen, who in turn blamed the bricks. The king orders for the execution of the mason, who put the blame on the architect. The architect is brought to the royal court and indirectly blames the king for the wrongly constructed arch. The placid king now grows angry and demands for the wisest man in the country to be brought to the royal court. They brought the wisest man, who was so old that he could neither see nor walk. According to him, the arch must be hanged. When the arch is supposed to be executed, one of the ministers argues that it would be a shame to punish something that had touched their mighty king's head. Everyone along with the king agreed. The crowd grew restless, and the king promised them a hanging. Therefore, a noose was set up, and the one to fit it would be hanged. All were measured one by one, but the only one to fit was the king. The ministers heaved a sigh of relief upon finding someone to execute. Thus, as a result of the customary choice, the next to pass the city gate would choose the new king, and the next to pass it was an idiot who wanted a melon to be their king. The melon was given the throne with due ceremony, and the town lived happily ever after without any interruption or interference. So this was just a satire and very interesting story, funny story. So I hope you liked it. So keep watching, keep learning with Namita. Till then, take care.